Welcome to day 13 of a movement a day Qigong. Today we're going to just release tension and stagnant energy in our neck. Starting with our palms forward, just rotate them through. We're stretching the arms. Palms are trying to face up towards the ceiling. And then again, palms first forward, just rotate through, a little twist to the arms. We're increasing the circulation in our arms. One more time, we're going to twist through. Thumbs pointing up, and then we're going to work on the neck. So holding the arms like this with that little twist, we'll go ear to the shoulder, feel that stretch on the opposite side of the neck, and then look down at your armpit and then up to the sky. We're just rolling back and forth on your shoulder. Releasing tension out of the neck. Restoring range of motion. This is another one of those silk reeling. Moving our neck through its whole range of motion will keep it limber, fluid, flexible, prevent arthritis, any kind of joint problems. Let's roll over, chin to the chest to the other side. And then looking up, chin to the armpit, up. Feeling the stretch in the arms, we're really pulling the energy down the arms this way. Any stagnant qi that's stuck in our neck is being released and flowing downward. Slow, deep breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. One more, roll to the check. A little bit of a shake. Just relaxing those arms. Yeah. Now we're going to do it a little bit differently. Palms are face back. We're going to pull through. And just like that. Palms face back, rotate through. A little bit of a spiral with the arms, but now we're stretching them a little bit differently. Palms are still up, but we've stretched to the front. Last time. Now let's put all of our fingers together. This is a bird's beak, is what it's called. And then press that towards the forearm. You're going to feel a nice stretch in the back of the arm. Move the head from side to side, full range of motion, just like you're saying no. So nice, level, side to side, a little bit different motion. And now we'll come back to center. We'll drop one ear to the shoulder, and we're going to do that same motion in a diagonal, just like you're saying no, but now your ears to the shoulder. Get you a little bit different motion on those neck joints. Moving all those vertebrae, keeping them healthy, well-oiled, juicy. Roll over to the other side, feel that stretch, and then again, no. Just rotating the neck back and forth. Keeping that stretch in the forearm or the back of the forearm with those little bird beak. This really helps the circulation go down. Make sure you're relaxing your shoulders down. And back, chin to the chest. Just shake that out a little bit. Get that circulation going. Really nice one. Because you know when you squeeze out the tissue and you relieve that tension, you're going to get fresh energy coming in, and it just immediately will feel better. So, I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with me today. You did beautifully. I'll see you tomorrow.